Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to set an alarm on an Ihome clock. This will be a step-by-step tutorial with step-by-step instructions, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is one example of an Ihome alarm clock, and I'm going to show you how to set the alarm. It's actually really easy to do. So on the top, this one actually has two alarm options, alarm number 1 on the left and alarm number 2 on the right over here, okay? Now, when you want to set the alarm, you're going to press and hold down the alarm option that you want to set. So I'm going to set number 1. So I'm going to press and hold down number 1, okay, until it beeps and it flashes. And that's saying the alarm is set for 6:05 right now. So you can press the plus and the minus buttons to change the time. Let's just say we wanted to set it for 6:10, okay? When you've chosen the time that you want to set it for, press the alarm button again. And then it asks you 7 days. You can also set it for 5 days, which is just the weekdays and so forth, but I'm going to click 7 days, press the alarm again. Bluetooth, you can also choose the radio if you want. I'm going to press the alarm again. And 20, that's another option. I'm going to press the alarm one more time. I'm not exactly sure, to be honest with you, what that option means. I think that might be the snooze option, but I could be wrong. But I think that might be how long you snooze it for. And the alarm is set. Once again, I would have pressed that button once again, but it just automatically timed out. But we're going to check it one more time. So I'm going to press and hold alarm number 1. Okay. And as you can see, it is set for 6:10. Okay. 7 days. Bluetooth option when it turns on. 20 is the option over here. And it's set. It's literally that simple. That is how to set an alarm on an Ihome alarm clock. Now, obviously your alarm clock might be slightly different, but the options are probably going to be very similar. You go to the alarm setting option over here, and then you press these buttons, plus or minus. Sometimes there's a dial to basically choose your options. You choose the alarm time, how many days you want it set for, and so forth. And if you see over here, down here, this button, this little dot means that alarm 1 is set. Okay, and up here at the top, it also shows an illumination over here, which shows that alarm 1 is also set. And that's it. That is how to set an alarm on an Ihome alarm clock. An easy tutorial. If you liked it, once again, step-by-step instructions. I tried to make it as sort of simplified and step-by-step as I could. So that's why I really wanted to show you each step of the way. And I even showed it more than once because the first time I got timed out, so I showed it again. But that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.